Here's what's coming up on Kaleidoscope.
The Seussical the Musical will be playing here at Edinboro High School. We'll have the dates for you coming up next on Kaleidoscope.
You're watching IHS TV, Channel 11. And now, Barry Harris, Laura Boyd, and the K-Scope News team. This is Kaleidoscope News this morning.
Good morning, everyone. I hope you've had a nice day so far. I'm Laura Boyd.
And I'm Barry Harris, and as we always, it's a pleasure to have you with us. We're going to start off with a look at the weather.
Hi, this is Steph with the weather. Today will be sunny with a high 89. Tonight's low will be 65. The current temperature is 65 degrees and the humidity is at 75%. And the barometric pressure is at 30.30 and steady. And now to birthdays.
Good morning, Edinboro. This is Mike with the birthdays. The birthdays for today are Brandon Paisley and Alyssa Tate. Happy birthday. And now over to today's headline.
Good morning, this is Jess with today's headline. U.S. officials yesterday declared the spread of swine flu to public health emergency and freed up to 12.5 million doses of antiviral medication to help fight the disease. Now back to the news desk.
Organizers of Our Lady of Hope's Carnival in Ridley Park are looking for juniors and seniors interested in becoming security interns. Students would serve as carnival security for the April 28th through May 2nd event. Please see Mr. Nunnally for more information. The juniors will be going to Baltimore, Maryland on Wednesday, May 27th for their junior class trip. All permission slips and money are due Wednesday. See Ms. Nowry for permission slips or if you have any questions. The Buccaneers game of the week is the 9th grade baseball against Sun Valley on Thursday at 3:30. The home game is played at Whitmer Field. This is the last home game for the season for the boys' 9th grade baseball. Now for sports.
Good morning, this is Allie with today's sports. The softball team takes on Penwood today at home at 3:30. The boys' lacrosse team goes up against Sun Valley today, away. JV is at 3:45 and varsity at 5:15. The Sixers lost to the Magic yesterday, 84-81. And the Phillies defeated the Marlins yesterday with a score of 13-2. They play again tonight, home against the Nationals at 7:05. And that's it for sports. Now over to the news desk.
The Yacht Stocks Rising Star competition still has one more chance for local students to sign up for the contest. Glenelg Young People's Performing Arts Club will have registration there at their performances of Back to the 80s. That's tonight and Saturday afternoon at Prospect Park School. The class of 2012 is going to Dorney Park on May 16th. That's a Friday. The deadline to hand in permission slips is Wednesday. Please give them to your homeroom teacher who will put them in the homeroom folders where they will be collected. The Buccaneers will be coming out to the Seussical play on Thursday, April 30th at 7 p.m. See Mrs. Catino to purchase your ticket. The tickets are $7. Come out and support your peers. And once again, we'd like to run through all the show times for you in case you haven't heard them. Wednesday, April 29th at 4 p.m. Thursday, April 30th at 7 p.m. Friday, May 1st at 7 p.m. Saturday, May 2nd at 1 p.m. and Saturday, May 2nd at 7 p.m. Now we turn our attention to the menu item of the day.
Hi, this is Nick with the menu. Today we'll have honey ham with pineapple stuffing and seasoned peas. And tomorrow we'll have hot turkey with mashed potatoes and green beans and gravy. And now over to the vocab word.
This is Kim with the vocab word of the day. Today's word is laudatory, which means expressing admiration or praise. For example, this handmade quilt has received many laudatory comments since the beginning of the art show. Now over to the quote of the day. This is Kim with the quote of the day. Helen Keller once said, "When a door of happiness closes, another opens. But we often stare so long at the closed door, we don't see the one which has been opened for us." Now over to this day in history.
This is Christmas This Day in History. On this date, April 27, 1805, the U.S. Marines captured Derna on the shores of Tripoli. And in 1983, pitcher Nolan Ryan surpassed Walter Johnson's strikeout record. Now over to trivia.
This is Kim with the trivia. Did you know the first real word in the average dictionary is probably AA? It's a name for a kind of spongy lava. Now over to entertainment.
What is up, Edinboro? This is DJ with your daily entertainment. Some video games being released this week will be X-Men Origins on all platforms, Dynasty Warriors Strike Force for the PSP, and Backyard Baseball 2010 for PS2. Now back to the news desk.
That's it, everyone. Thanks for watching Kaleidoscope. I'm Laura Boyd.
And I'm Barry Harris from the desert to the sea. And all of Edinboro. Have a great day, everybody.